video. Go! Go! Jacob!
I'll go.
Oh, here.
I'm not videoing.
Yeah, video them. Here, I'll do it. Alright, go. We're going through there. We're videoing. Go.
Go, Jacob.
No, I'm videoing. We just went through that.
through it.
No, that's my pole.
No, it's not. Go. Dude, he ain't even go. Man. Man, fuck you. Crap, dude. It's getting deep. Sounds good. What do you think? So, where'd you go? Through there?
Yeah.
Y'all, you must have slid off a little bit. I did pretty good.
There's water on my knees.
Hold up, Cole. Let me get a view of the four-wheeler smoking.
Yes.
I'm gonna sit here for a second and let the four-wheeler cool off. Then you can drive. Don't cut it off.
That's how high water was.
That ain't nothing, dude. Me and Cole right there, dude. It was right around that.
So what battle?
It was right there on us.
Wow.
Okay. End of the video.